Yo, what's going on, guys? RoyalPickups here with a brand new video. Today I'm bringing you guys something very exciting. Yes, we're going to be making a shoebox poster. As you guys can see in the thumbnail and also in the title, I decided, I have all these shoeboxes. So many people I know have so many just shoeboxes laying around, so let's make something out of it. So originally I saw this idea on YouTube. He's the only person I've ever seen this from, and I wanted to just get it out here even more. So I'm gonna give him credit right away. The YouTube channel is called CJ Shoes. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of him. He's got like 18,000 subscribers. So what you're gonna need is your shoe boxes, any random shoe boxes you can find around the house. Really, it doesn't have to be yours. It can be your mom's, dad's, sisters, cousins, friends, any shoe boxes you can really find. Bring them all together and then cut them up. So once you cut them up, you're also gonna need glue, and then you're also gonna need some type of tape. I'm using black construction tape. It's like a skinnier tape. It's almost like electrical tape, but I didn't want the plasticky, glossy side, so I didn't go with electrical tape. I just went with construction skinny tape. All these supplies that I do have in this video, the poster frame, the glue, and the tape, all of it is at your local Target. So any Target near you will have these items. I went and just purchased all of them today, about an hour ago. And so I decided, hey, I'm gonna go somewhere and get these supplies, where everyone can go and grab them. But anyways, guys, now that I told you what you guys are gonna need, what we're gonna do, let's get right into it. Alrighty, guys, so the first step, we gotta clear this out of the way so we can get started. Alright, now that we've cleared away the table, I'm going to grab the frame here, we're going to unwrap it, and we are going to take out the cardboard cutout. Alright. Now that we've gotten this part off, you can set the whole plastic side away, like the actual frame, you can set aside for now. Okay, now once you get the frame actually off the cardboard cutout, what you're going to want to do is pick out some shoe boxes that you're going to want to cut up, because we're going to be cutting off the front face of them and the sides. So pick out a couple shoe boxes and then we'll get to start cutting them. Alrighty, guys, so I'm halfway into cutting some of these boxes. I got two of these. So these are the tops of them, so cut those off. Also, if you can get any pieces that look nice, like I have this side piece of the Vans, another side piece as well. Just little ones, just in case you might need them during the process. If there's like a little space missing, do that. Also, I was using scissors to cut the boxes, and I figured out that was way too hard to actually cut them, or it took a long time. So what I used was this exacto knife, so you guys can use one of these. It's a lot easier, but what I'm gonna recommend right away is when you're cutting the box, make sure that it's on, for me, I use one of my college school folders, because you don't wanna be cutting the table by accident, just like little marks on the table, because you just don't want that happening just in case you're on one of your parents' tables or a nice table. I'm on a plastic table, so it doesn't really matter, but I'm still just making sure I'm not hitting the table. So yeah, that's just another thing I would recommend. Alrighty, guys, so after cutting them all out and kind of laying them out, seeing what you got so far, what we're going to be doing is placing them all on here in a certain order. Alrighty, guys, so as you can see, this entire board is covered with the shoe boxes and the cut up pieces. It's kind of crazy looking right now, but it's completely covered in the exact design that I think I will like it at. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take piece by piece. So I'm gonna lift this piece up, and what I'm gonna do is put glue all over this and then glue that piece down. Alrighty, guys, so I kind of just got done with gluing them all down, but the problem is is that the shoe boxes were actually kind of like curling upwards, like on the edges and stuff. So I had to place a bunch of things on top, some heavy things like my laptop and some books as well, just to keep them down. So I'm gonna leave that, let the glue dry for about a minute, and then we'll check back on it. Alrighty guys, so now that it's all glued, all the glue has dried, and you can actually like lift it up, go ahead, flip the whole thing over very carefully because pieces can fall off and we don't want that to happen. So let's do that here. So let's flip it right over, so all you can see are these edge pieces here. So once you flip it over, you'll be able to see all of these like sticking out edge pieces. This is what we're gonna be cutting off, and so that we're ended up with just the stuff on the actual side that we wanna see. So what you're gonna wanna do, like I said at the beginning, is go ahead, take a folder or something that you don't care about, and make sure you stick it under so that you're not cutting the table at all. And then what we're gonna be doing is you're gonna take your exacto knife or a knife or scissors, whatever you can work with, and just cut along all these edges along the whole entire thing until there's no more. Alrighty guys, so I just cut off all of the edges and trimmed it up, made it look a little bit nicer. So now is about the final step before we put it in the frame. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this tape that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, and we're going to be going along each of these edges as well, just to clean it up because all these edges don't match up perfectly and a lot of them didn't cut so nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this black tape in between them and it'll make it look a lot nicer. Okay, so we just got it all taped up. All of the edges are all taped and nice and neat. So now it is time to actually put it in the frame finally. Alright everyone, so we just got it all framed and we got it hung up and it looks so good. I know there's some glare in the video right now from the background, the lights and the window. This thing just looks so good. I'm very proud of this. I'm really happy how it turned out. Alrighty guys, so as you can see right behind me, it is all finished, all hung up, and it looks amazing. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. It was kind of hard to make. It took about 3 hours to do. I know this is a 10-minute video and it seems like it went by kind of quick, but it took about 3 hours to do. So if you guys are planning to do this, I just want to let you know it does take some time, but it is worth it. It looks very good, and I will have this in the background of videos from now on, hopefully, and I just think it looks very nice. For me, being kind of a sneakerhead hype beast, it's just a really cool piece in my room because it's kind of all my shoe boxes that I had from all my other shoes. It's also something cool, and it's something that I personally made. So I really hope you guys do try this out. I really do. And if you guys do try this out, please send me a picture of it. Tell me how it turned out. I'll put my Twitter handle right here. Go ahead, send it to me and let me know how it turned out, if it didn't turn out, and what I could have done better. Because I know there's tons of different ways that I could have done better. Some tape or the cutting or framing, anything. I'm sure there's a different way, and I still have tons of different shoe boxes still left, so I can definitely do another one. So if you guys have any ideas how I can do this better, let me know. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also, I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year, so I think we can do it. Hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't already. I'll be having tons of videos like this, shoes, clothing, all kinds of stuff. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.
Sun don't shine in the shade. Bird can't fly in a cage.